Hey, this is Mr. Masonette, and what we're going to do in this tutorial is explore the triangle inequality theorem, which is a concept in geometry that just stipulates that the sum of any two sides of a triangle must exceed the length of the third side. All right, so let's go ahead and check this theorem out using examples. Let's take the three side lengths of 1, 3, and 5 and see if they can form a triangle. Now, what we have to do is add all possible combinations of two sides. And we have to make sure that all three combinations exceed the sum of the third side. So we have 1 and 3, 1 and 5, and 3 and 5. And then we're going to put the third side right here, which would be 5. The third side for 1 and 5 would be 3, and then the third side would be 1 here. Now, if we add 3 plus 5, that is greater than 1. And that is what the theorem says, that all combinations of two sides have to exceed the third side. So we're good with the first combination of two sides. 1 plus 5 is 6, which is greater than 3. And 1 plus 3 is 4, which is not greater than 5. It is less than 5. So this combination does not work. These two combinations of two sides work, but this third one does not. Therefore, these three sides cannot form a triangle. All right, let's consider 3, 4, and 5. So 3 plus 4 is greater than 5 because that makes 7. 3 plus 5 is 8, and that is greater than the third side, which would be 4. And the side lengths of 4 and 5, which has a sum of 9, is greater than the third side of 3. Therefore, these three side lengths do in fact form a triangle. Now, to deepen our understanding of this theorem, let's visualize this on a grid. So if we take these two side lengths here and try to rotate them to form a triangle, notice that their endpoints would never meet to form a third angle. Therefore, we can see that 1, 3, and 5 would not form a triangle. All right, let's go ahead and rotate these two side lengths to show that 3, 4, and 5 do in fact form a triangle. So we're going to rotate this side length right here a little bit, and then we're going to rotate this side length a little bit. And you can see that eventually they would get to a place that they would form a triangle. All right, we actually have to go just a little bit more with this one. It's a little bit open there. All right, now we can see that we have our third angle here, so we have a triangle. All right, thanks for checking out this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you back soon at Masonette Math.